Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Jupitrr. So Jupitrr is an AI video editor that lets you automatically generate subtitle for your video. It can also automatically generate relevant stock footage for your video and even stock images. Jupitrr also allows your video to crop according to various dimensions. So it could be for shorter format videos such as TikTok videos, so you can automatically crop your videos according to short video content, or you can also leave it as long form content such as for YouTube video. And the great news is Jupitrr is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $180, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at $49 for lifetime. And as you can see, this is an alternative to Adobe Premiere, Descript and 𝗗𝗃𝘀𝗃𝗂𝗺cie. Now let's see all the plan and features of this tool. So you will get unlimited access to the huge stock video and photo library that has over 3 million stock media. You can export your video in 1080p HD format. There are customizable templates for audiogram. You can add your own custom brand color. You can remove the watermark. There is also auto generation subtitle, and that is not only in English but in 23 languages. And there are also going to be more languages in the future. And these are 3 license tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $49. Here you get 10 hours of audiogram every month. There is also 10 hours of AI video transcription every month. And there is going to be no Jupitrr watermark. And as for the highest limits, there is the license tier 3 that costs $269. Here you can generate unlimited audiograms every month. You get 100 hours of AI video transcription and obviously no Jupitrr watermark. So if you want to buy Jupitrr on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of Jupitrr. So after you log into Jupitrr, you are going to get this page. And as you can see, Jupitrr supports file from 23 languages for automatic transcription. Let me show you the full list. So here is the list of 25 languages, and these languages are supported for auto-generated subtitles. And here is even a bigger list. So these languages supports transcription but not necessarily supported with the video generation. So here is that list. Back to the dashboard of Jupitrr, you can start uploading your video or audios for video editing or creating audiograms. So first, let me upload a video and let me show you all the video editing options or features. So once the video is uploaded, you have to give a video title and then you have to click on continue. So now the video is getting uploaded and then we will generate the subtitles and then get the page ready. So the video is now fully ready for editing. We are now in the video editor of Jupitrr. And as you can see, here is the transcript of the video. You also get the subtitle on this section and you have to follow this transcript, use this transcript in order to edit your video. As I have said earlier, you can very easily add stock footage or stock images to your video. And to add the stock media, you have to select a particular portion of the video and you have to select that from this transcript. This YouTuber part, on this YouTuber part, I want to add a stock footage. So I have to select this and then all I have to do is generate the video, which means Jupitrr is going to add a relevant stock footage to that part. So let's click on this. So now there is a relevant stock footage on this part. So let me play this video from the start.
If you're a founder, YouTuber, or course creator,
so as you can see, when on this video, it is talking about YouTuber, there is a relevant stock footage. Let me show you again.
If you're a founder, YouTuber, or course creator,
So that is amazing how easy it is to add this stock footage. Let me add some more. For example, I want to add another on this editor. So just I have to select this and then I can click on generate video. So as you can see, there is now a stock footage that is relevant to this editor keyword. It has been added. Now let me play the video once again from start.
If you're a founder, YouTuber, or course creator, you've definitely wasted valuable time on video editing. No need to hire an expensive editor though when you've got Jupitrr.
As you can see on the editor part, that relevant stock footage is now currently showing. And other than stock footage or video, you can also add stock images. So for example, on this voice recording, on this part, I want an stock image. So all I have to do is click on generate image. Okay, so this image has been added according to voice recording. this image is super relevant to these voice recordings. So let's play this video from here.
No need to hire an expensive editor though when you've got Jupitrr. And if you're feeling camera shy, you can turn voice recordings into videos instead.
So as you can see, the voice recordings, for voice recordings, that stock image is showing. Now let's add another image on this workload. Click on generate image. So we have got this image, and let me add another stock video on this deal. Click on generate video. So for this deal keyword, this stock footage has been added. Now if I play this video from the start, you can see all of the stock footages.
If you're a founder, YouTuber, or course creator, you've definitely wasted valuable time on video editing. No need to hire an expensive editor though when you've got Jupitrr. And if you're feeling camera shy, you can turn voice recordings into videos instead. It's time to cut down on all the video editing in your workload with this must-have lifetime deal.
So as you can see, all of these stock videos as well as stock images are showing very clearly, and they are also of high quality. So that is really good. And there are also some additional options you get. So if you click on the existing stock video, you can generate again with another keyword. You have to provide another keyword, then generate another footage or image. You can then add that to this part, this YouTuber part, or you can also generate again without any keyword. You can change to image. So obviously this YouTuber, it is currently set to this stock footage, but you can also change it to image, or you can even delete it. And on the right side, you get some other options. You can change the dimensions or the aspect ratio for different platforms. So currently it is set to landscape, which is ideal for YouTube videos. But you can also change it to square if you want this content for short videos. For example, it could be Instagram Reels or TikTok. So all you have to do is just click on portrait. And as you can see, now the video is on portrait mode, which means you can use it for short videos or TikToks. So let's play this video.
If you're a founder, YouTuber, or course creator, you've definitely wasted valuable time on video editing. No need to hire an expensive editor though when you've got Jupitrr.
And so obviously, as you can see, this subtitle, it is standard subtitle. And if you pay attention to TikTok or other short form content, you will see their subtitles is a little bit different. It is more fancy. You can also do that. All you have to do is click on subtitles, and it is currently set to closed caption. You have to switch to TikTok or Reels caption. And as you can see, now it is more fancy with highlighted words. So now let's play once again and just see the subtitles.
If you're a founder, YouTuber, or course creator, you've definitely wasted valuable time on video editing. No need to hire an expensive editor though when you've got Jupitrr.
So as you can see, the subtitle is now more suitable for TikTok or Reels, which is amazing how easy it is to do that. And obviously, if there is something wrong with the subtitle, if you want to edit that, you can do that from here. So as you can see, now the editor has opened. So you can change this word, add some more words if you want. You can also hide this subtitle if you want. As you can see, now the subtitle is gone. There is no subtitle. So these are some of the options that you get with the AI video editor of Jupitrr. Now let's go back to the dashboard. So I have showed you all the features of AI video editing. Now what about the audiogram? To create the audiogram, you have to click on this create new, or you can also click on this, and then you have to choose this audiogram. Now you have to upload your audio file. So my audio file has been uploaded, and let me just play the audio file. So here is my audio file, and let me play it for you. Staying fit is all about taking care of your body and mind. Try to move your body regularly. It could be anything you enjoy. Walking, dancing, I think that's enough. Sports. Now let's see what Jupitrr does with this audio, with their audiogram feature. So on the audiogram, you will get the subtitle or transcript of your audio. You will also get a video like this. As you can see, there is going to be a profile picture. There is also going to be one title. Staying fit is all about taking care of. You will also get a banner on the background, like a cover photo. So let me play this, and the subtitle is going to appear. Staying fit is all about taking care of your body and mind. Try to move your body regularly. It could be anything you enjoy. Walking, dancing. Now obviously this is a template. So here is going to be the subtitle. On top there is going to be the banner. Then the profile picture is going to be on middle. But you can also change this template. As you can see, here are a lot of templates. You can choose this one. Okay, this is the default one. This one or this one. So there are a lot of templates, and all of them are customizable. You can also change the dimensions. So it is currently set for Instagram, but you can change it to YouTube. So for YouTube, the templates or this audiogram is going to appear like this. Obviously you can change the template. And there is also a particular dimension for TikTok audiograms. So here is that. So it is great for short video content. And as you can see at the end, there is also the social media handles. You can also customize that. For customization, you have to go to this design. On this box, you have to provide the title. So for example, my title is going to be how to stay fit. You can also preview the title on here. You can change the font. For example, I want this font. So as you can see, the font has changed. You can also explore other fonts. And then you can also upload the avatar, which means the profile picture. I don't know if this template has profile picture section. Let me pick one. I think this one has profile picture. Now let's upload an avatar. So here's the avatar or the profile picture that I just uploaded. You can change the background color. This is set to orange. Let me set it to this color. You can also change the text color. So as you can see now the text color is changing. You can also add your own social media handle. So let's add mine. And there is also this subtitle section. From here you can change the subtitles if you want. You can edit this. And for subtitle, you can choose this big title or word by word. So it is going to come like this. Secondly, focus on eating well. You can also change it to closed caption, include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains. So I think this big title looks very good. I'm going to keep it. Now let's export it and let's see what type of audiogram we get. So now the audiogram is being exported. Now let's download it. So here is our audiogram, and as you can see, here is the title, the profile picture. You also get to see the social media handle at the bottom. And now if I play it, staying fit is all about taking care of your body and mind. Try to move your body regularly. It could be anything you enjoy. So overall, I think the audiogram seems really good. I'm really impressed with this. Overall, I think Jupitrr is an excellent tool that lets you edit your videos very easily. You can add stock footage or stock images to your videos very easily, super fast. All you have to do is just select the portion from the transcript and the AI is going to generate relevant stock footage or image. You can also generate very accurate subtitle for your videos very easily. You can also edit that. And there is even an option to change the dimension. So you can make your video suitable for TikTok or YouTube or any other platforms. You can also generate very impressive audiograms using Jupitrr. So all in all, I have to say this tool is amazing. And if you want to buy it from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all of these features. And here are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.